The first time she was elected as the first woman to hold positions on the traditionally male-dominated FIFA and CONCACAF executive boards, it was an amazing feat. The third time around, and the pride and joy felt by Islanders have not lost their luster. Sonia Fulford of the Turks and Caicos Islands continues to ascend. As for the third consecutive term, she returned unopposed as part of the leadership, a resounding endorsement. Sonia Fulford was beaming at the recent elections held in Castries, St. Lucia on March 15th, there to support her husband and mother. This is a major victory for small football nation, said Fulford. For years, we have worked tirelessly to highlight the unintended barriers the previous regulations imposed on smaller MAs. Member associations like ours will no longer be unfairly excluded from funding opportunities due to circumstances beyond our control. Instead, we now have a framework that acknowledges our challenges while ensuring we can continue to grow the game at all levels. Sonia Fulford is president of the TCI Football Association. They're learning the power of presence. They're understanding the value of networking. That's because they are being given a well-rounded education toward becoming the next top models of the Turks and Caicos Islands. These are the striking contestants in the 2025 TCI Top Model competition, set to return the dynamism audiences had come to enjoy with Courtney Robinson's production. Robinson recently returned from London to the Turks and Caicos, and he's at it again. His focus is on professional development inside and out. TCI Top Model is set for May 31st at the Brayton Hall in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos Islands. DeAndre Hamilton reporting.